Making your own vinaigrette is easier than getting in the car and buying it. It tastes better and you know what's in it. You can make it in less time than it takes to gather the ingredients, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. In this case, there's hardly anything to gather up. There's only 5 ingredients and 2 of them are salt and pepper. At the end of the video, I have a few more optional ingredients you can toss in that are pretty simple, but they add a lot and it makes you look like you really know what you're doing, which you do. So here we go. You'll need a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, 1½ tablespoons of Dijon mustard, a 1/2 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper, and your last ingredient is 3/4 cup of good olive oil. Now, you can make this in a bowl with a whisk, which is fun, but you're left with a couple extra things to wash, and extra work is for other people. To me, it's easiest to make it in a cruet, like this one here, which you probably see in the grocery store all the time. It comes with packets of good seasoned Italian dressing, which, if you can make that stuff, you can definitely make this. But really, anything that'll keep liquid in when you shake it up will probably do just fine. Everything goes in. Oil, vinegar, mustard, salt and pepper, the most important thing is this right here. The top goes on tightly and the little cap is closed. Very important. Now here's the fun part. Take all your day's frustrations and let them loose on this thing. Shake it for a good 10 seconds, pretty hard. Finger over the little cap. What you're trying to do is to get the oil and the vinegar, who are enemies by birth, become friends by introducing them to a mutual friend, in this case, the mustard. In fancy kitchen talk, we call this emulsification. Anyway, you're done. You just made vinaigrette. Look at you. Now, as I mentioned earlier, here are a few ways you can dress this up without too much effort, which is how I like everything. 1, shallots. It's classic. Mince one up and add about a tablespoon along with everything else. 2, substitute the vinegar with a 1/3 cup of lemon juice and you have a whole new dressing. 3, throw in 2 tablespoons of mayo and a teaspoon of dried oregano. Boom, creamy Italian. I love you for watching all the way to the end. It means a lot and thank you for that. If I helped you in any way, you can help me by hitting the subscribe button and throwing a like my way. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll try to get to them. I hope you learned something today. Peace.